Hey everyone, today we're doing another Leetcode 160 intersection of two linked lists. So we are given two linked lists, we have to find their intersection point. What is the intersection point? An intersection point of two linked lists is when the pointer of one linked list and the pointer of second list linked list, other linked list is at the same location. If they are separate, they have no node in common, then they are not supposed to be at the same location. So this is just an easy problem, very easy problem. We have to find the point where there are the pointer of two linked lists at the same location. So what we will be doing is when a list pointer hits null, for example, if a list pointer hits null, we will point that null pointer to the head of b, and same with b. If the pointer at b hits null, we will take that null pointer and make it point to the head of a. This is it, this was the whole logic. So let me give an example like 1 2 3, not 3 two digits, and now 4 5 6 and 7 8 9. Okay, this is this here at the very first is our firstly, let me write a here, which will be representing the pointer, a for the list a and b for the list b, and the number here are just intersection numbers. Intersection, this is the intersection point. Like this you can see c1 c2 c3. So a is pointing to 4 and 9 is pointing to 4 also. The intersection point is 4. So we will just increment our pointer at a, and simultaneously b, again incrementing a, will put it to the 4, and again incrementing b, b will go to the 9 pointer, and again incrementing a will go to the a will go to 5, and b will go to 4, and b is no longer here. Again incrementing them, they are at this location, and if we again increment this pointer, a will go out of bounds. A is now null. So I said earlier, when the pointer at a certain list of a certain linked list hits null, we will make it point to the head of the other linked list. A was the pointer of the first linked list. Now A is gone from here, and now A will point to the head of B. Incrementing A again, and now B will go out of bounds like null, and now B will point to A. Likewise, A pointed to B when it was null. We will take it and make it point to B. So now they are both parallel. Again incrementing A first, then B is also incremented. So now if you increment them again, B will come at 4 and A will also come at 4. They are at the same location, and we can return any of them because they both have the same, they are both pointing to the same node. And that's it. This was whole logic, and now let's write some code. List 2 is equal to the head of A and head B. HEAD and B. This is good. And while the pointers are not equal to each other, not equal, list at 2, if there is a list 1 pointer, which means this is not null, we will just increment it like list 1 dot next, and else if it is null, we will make it point to the head of the B, head of P, and do the same with list 2 pointer. If there is a list 2 pointer, we will just increment it, and if there is not, then we will make it the head of the other linked list. Like this, after doing all of this, we can return any one of them because they are both basically at the same location. and that's it.